What's up, YouTube? Do you want to be able to make between $8 to $15 per hour every single day without any skills whatsoever? If so, stay with me. That's coming right up. Before I get into that, my name is Eric Hammer. I know as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, as I said, my name is Eric Hammer, and here I review software info products and make my online niche. Basically, I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, I tell you over and over again, you gotta look at my reviews. There's just no two ways about it. Look at my reviews already. I don't understand him. He never looks. Anyway, so I also do a lot of these kind of videos where I teach you about ways to make some extra money on the side. Also a lot of mindset stuff, kind of stuff about entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, you are the sweetest person ever. Thank you so much for saying that. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, let's keep the conversation going, and let's get right into this. Okay, so first, if you're celebrating this past weekend, I hope you had a wonderful holiday, whether you were celebrating Easter or Passover, or just enjoying the first signs that spring is finally upon us. Then I hope you had a nice time, and my heart very sincerely goes out to the people of Sri Lanka and the terrible tragedy there. As I said on Facebook, nobody should ever feel as if they should be afraid to go to their place of worship, whether they're Jewish or Muslim or Christian or any other religion. It's a terrible thing, and I don't want to get into politics on this channel, but frankly, this is not even about politics. It's just about humanity. And so really, my heart goes out to these people, and I am so sorry that you are going through such a horrible crisis right now, and I wish that we could all live in peace. Now, enough about that. Let's get right into this. So what we're going to be talking about today is micro work.
Micro what? Microprocessors.
No, not microchips, micro work. Pay attention. So what's a micro job anyway? Well, basically it's a job you can do in just a couple of seconds of your time. The pay is typically just a few cents. Ranges anywhere to like about $2, but more typically a few cents. But the nice thing is that you can stack up a whole bunch of these kind of jobs, and you can theoretically make anywhere from $8 to $15 per hour.
There will be nothing but rich people.
Well, I don't know about rich, but you can make some extra money on the side, and if you do it full-time, you can make an okay living. It's not great, but you can make some decent money. So I'm going to show you 4 different websites that you can use to make some extra money on the side. Ready? Let's get right into this. So the first website we're going to look at is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. That's not to be confused with Cenk Uygur and the Young Turks.
I can't compete with the Young Turks.
Nor should you try. This is Mechanical Turk, not the Young Turks. Keep it straight, guys. Seriously. Anyway. So MTurk, as is commonly known, is the granddaddy of micro work websites. They have hundreds of different jobs, as you can see here. They pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, but what I like is that for many of these jobs, you can just start working right away. You don't have to qualify for anything. There are some jobs that pay a little bit more that you don't have to qualify for, but even if you want to qualify for them, you qualify for them once, and then you can start working on them again and again and again. Okay, so the next website that we're going to take a look at, it's called Rapid Workers. As you can see, unlike Mechanical Turk, this has much more focus on things like lead generation. So you have requests for people to follow you on Twitter, follow them on Twitter or on YouTube.
Follow you on Twitter? You're kidding.
No, Madam Vice President, it really is true. She does follow you on Twitter. Anyway, so the site's pretty easy to understand. Unlike Mechanical Turk, it's pretty much accessible for anybody. So go ahead and take a look. There's some jobs that pay like $1.50, $2 for signing up as a lead. Obviously, they are hoping to sell you something, but you don't have to buy anything from them. You just have to sign up and let them send you a bunch of emails. Okay, so number 3 on our list is called ClickSense. You can see there isn't much going on here right now, so it's really not my favorite website. but it's worth knowing about because they do have some jobs every now and then. And if you can't find something to do on the other websites, you may find some work over here.
You have work to do.
Okay, I'm going to work already. Relax. Jeez. Talk about a tool. Okay, so the final website on our list, this one is actually my favorite, it's called Takko Workers. Why do I like it so much? Mostly because I found it the super easiest to sign up for. A lot of websites make you jump through a million different hoops. These guys, you just sign up and you're done. You can start earning right away. As you can see, similar to Rapid Workers, they got a lot of these jobs where you sign up for things like like a YouTube channel or stuff like that. So you can go ahead and pretty much get started right away. The only catch here is that they do segment based on where you live. And so if you happen to live in the United States, for example, you are going to get some more work than, say, if you live in, I don't know, Zimbabwe or something.
But why?
Well, Emma, that's just the way it is. I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. Okay, so there you have it. 4 websites to make at least anywhere from $8 to $15 per hour if you're very industrious about it. You don't have to have any skills or experience, just have to have a desire to work. So what do you think? Let me know down in the comments down below. Let's keep the conversation going, and I will see you tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. EST. I know I was a bit late today. I apologize, coming off the holiday weekend, being kind of a little bit busy, but tomorrow I will try to be right on schedule. See you then.